What did you do?
Shit salad, man.
Oh my god. Is that the new Mini X?
Yeah, that's what happened.
It's disgusting.
It's not even the worst part. I went and I fell in the mud this morning, and then I went to town to shower, and I realized the curtain was open the whole time. So there's no dollar bills on the front lawn, but
Oh, no.
it's good. So yeah, track falls off, so that's fun.
That's great.
Cool.
It's a good start.
So now we know what we're doing today, because I was worried we didn't have enough.
Yeah.
It's good.
Let's get to work.
I'm happy. And then I plowed all this. I'll obviously just drive it after. My what thing?
Your wood holder.
Oh no! I'll never recover.
So not only did he break the Mini X, but he broke his tailgate on his truck as well. All the plastic is gone. Good job, Nate. Excellent job. It's gonna be a good day.
It's good. Okay.
Perfect.
Welcome to Shed in the Woods. So we're gonna do this week. I'm gonna move her out of the way. Okay, so what I did off camera, like an idiot, is I built, ready for the pointer? I built all these trusses using our mill that you guys still really haven't seen. The walls, so the only thing that I purchased were, we had old 2x12s, 2x12x12, I think. Anyways, I cut them down. And then the other thing was the plywood floor right there, which you guys will see once we shovel it all out. We forgot shovels. So we're gonna do a steel roof, tie-par, steel roof. Then we're gonna do the windows right there. And then we're gonna do tie-par, strapping, and then move to the next job. So, any words of wisdom?
None.
The word is none. Oh yeah, and shout out to our #1 supporter, Gordo. G-Man, you're my hero. Okay, as you guys could see, we changed clothes and I shoveled off all the snow. So that was good. And then we switched back. So next what we're gonna do, this thing right here. Oh, I'm getting good at it, man. I'm like deadly with this thing. Anyways, okay, so next what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the bottom plates for the windows. And I don't know where I'm gonna get the other 2x4 because I didn't really plan this out. So we might end up using a 2x6. We're not gonna finish the inside of this. It's just a tool shed. So yeah, and then obviously I have to put some supports right here because as you can tell, that truss will probably push down a lot more. And that's it. So we'll do that now. Great. Okay, you ready for this?
I'm so ready.
The key is to put it in crooked and then come around to the other.
It's too bad you don't have another pair of hands to help you.
Yeah, I know.
Sucks.
It's kind of shitty. Tight. Oh yeah, never get those. Okay, last one. Do a close up. Action shot. No big deal. I messed this one up. Okay, now we're good.
It was going so well.
I'm so talented. At least there isn't like 5 fails. Perfect. Oh no.
I don't understand how your boot could possibly be wet.
That's right. It's because I took off my rubber boots like an idiot. This tape, I'm only using this tape for another 6 weeks and I'm throwing it out.
Only 6 weeks, eh?
Yeah.
Only 6 weeks of pain.
That's right. Start at the bottom. Now I'm here. Okay. I don't want my square. That's not in there, so don't worry about that.
It's all falling apart.
Yeah, it's because I'm a one-man show. Yep.
Let's just sniffle more on camera.
It's better than me panting like a dog.
Talking.
The last video I was watching, I was like,
Big mouth breather.
that's what happens when you're overweight. Oh yeah. Well, thanks for holding this one.
Yeah, anytime, man.
Super straight. Does it go up or down? Oh, up. I guess I shouldn't push it down.
Holding it for you. It's perfect.
Perfect. There's your sample.
Perfect.
How mad are you?
I'm not.
Really? Because you seem really angry.
This is my angry face.
Yeah, I can tell because your voice hasn't changed at all. You want to start stabbing me wildly so I don't have to do this? Just cut it on a somewhat straight line to get the mud off.
Like
Below the mud. And not wildly into my leg. Wow.
This is really awkward.
It's for a shooter, man. Okay, now finish it off. All right. So now we just have to put this whole thing up with, see how many staples. this
What
year.
was that? 20 staples?
Yeah, I think about 5 per wall.
Yeah, that'll be enough.
That's good.
Okay. So is it on normal?
Yeah.
Sweet, so they can hear us.
Yeah, they can.
Perfect. Okay, so this is 12 feet across, but it's only 7 feet up plus like 6 inches in the bottom. So we can't reach with a 9 foot, so we're just gonna roll it out.
Okay.
Cut it. And then the sides, we're gonna do something to tick people off.
Good.
We're just gonna do the tie par sideways. People get
Oh,
upset when
no.
yeah. I know, pretty crazy. Okay. Helping. Oh no, the camera. Whoa! Can you
Hold
see
on.
that? Oh, action cam.
Hold on. YouTube.
Oh god. Okay. You gotta go past this.
Huh?
Keep going. Go like a good foot, 18 inches past it. Yeah, that's probably good. And then you can cut it with your knife.